Good. And they're up. We've got a scramble for front position. Seal my lips, draws for your lead. Rockwell in between runners. Nice. And they say pure energy. And Basta is running in behind them as they round at the last 800. We have Seal my lips. Nice. And they say Rockwell is on the outside. Basta moving up by the rail. Then comes Pure Energy as they race at the last 600. It's Seal My Lips being joined by Rockwell on the outside. Moving up is Pure Energy. Basta is down on the inside as they swing for home. Rockwell, Seal My Lips in between runners. Basta is running by the rail. Pure Energy. And with the last 200 meters of the race, Seal My Lips, Rockwell is on the outside. Basta is by the rail. Pure Energy. And with the last 75 meters of the race, Seal My Lips by about a length and a half over Rockwell. And finally, Seal My Lips, Rockwell, Pure Energy, nice. And this is the end. Basta